Welcome back to another video.
A Carter chat of
my dad's channel, but
what's up, guys?
We're gonna be checking out the Nerf guns.
Review
of Nerf guns, 2 megas.
First is mine.
First is this Nerf rival. First is this Nerf rival. It shoots these
Bullets?
It shoots these bullets, and it has the rifle right there,
And the scope
the scope right there,
and the handle.
And the handle where you well, you go like this with the gun, like that.
And the bullets.
And there's the bullets. Wait, shoot it. And this is what the bullets look like.
I think 7 bullets on it.
Hold on, let me count. Hold on, 1, 2,
3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 bullets on that.
Yep,
13
guys.
I thought. And there's this Nerf rival right here.
Okay.
This is safety right there. Safety.
What's really safety?
You pop it in, pop it out. Alright, now next on to the exact...
Yeah, I need to show them about the shooting.
Oh wait, yeah. Guys, watch how high this thing goes. Well, just look.
Oh wait, it's not?
Guys, it hit that tree, but it was too fast to see on the camera.
Already have the bullets.
Alright, so guys,
The second gun.
the second gun is the Megas. When you shoot these Megas, they start with the whistling sound. They have big bullets. And what's it called? If you use these guns do hurt. Alright, I'm gonna teach you. It'll end up coming down with the whistling sound. And basically, I'm gonna kill you.
It's just kidding. Oh jeez, I just shot it.
Guys, this is what the bullets look like.
Like a long one. Just show them the second one's the same.
Now it's time for my exact attack, my gun. It has a gun that goes like this. And that's for the distance shooting,
And it could
low
come off.
distance shooting, and just shooting at other people for fun.
And it could even come off and come back on.
I'd put that on there. It comes with 6 bullets with 2 extra. What's it called? It can. I think it's booted. Yeah, hold on.
Lock on. See, he's an ugly duckling.
Hey!
Just like to play.
I've had this gun for a while.
You got it on Christmas. This is Christmas. And guys, we're gonna do a fireworks show, right, Carter?
Yeah.
Wait, should we show them the sprinkles?
Guys, look.
Or what? Oh, that was awesome.
Alright, guys. But anyways, now they're showing me on now.
We already showed the people.
Anyways, guys, you should buy these Nerf guns.
We sell at Walmart for $7.
These and the Nerf rivals. I think they're around $40 to $50.
I think so. That's what I bought at Desert Industries.
Look.
Subscribe to
But
the
anyways,
channel.
like and subscribe.
Yeah, guys, I want what? Let's get.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah, we're doing the fireworks show.
Oh, by the way, we'll be having a fireworks show. What is it called? Well, we're not going to be, what's it called, here up in the trailer park?
And Happy New Year!
And have a Happy New Year.